Let's make super soft veggie paratha for Rubaani. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. It means a lot. Thank you so much. Let's start cooking. For this recipe, I'm using few simple veggies, flour and some mild spices. First, mash the boiled veggies really well. Now add the spices. You can always adjust the spice level according to your little one. Now mix everything really well.
For the binding, we are using oat flour and also the wheat flour as well. So oat flour. We're gonna make a dough. If needed, add a little bit more wheat flour. Our dough is ready.
Our dough is ready. Now it's time to make the paratha. So let's roll it and then we're gonna cook it. Our paratha is almost ready. Let's see Rubaani loves it or not. Rubaani absolutely love this. Hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more recipes like this. We really need your support. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.